Hello student. Now in this session we learn about the next form tag in HTML. A form, an HTML form helps us to make information from the user on the internet. It resembles a hard copy form containing a different boxes to type in information and make selection. It has text field, different check boxes, option button, submit and reset button. So this is all we can learn how we can create this form or how we can insert the information on that form. Today we learn about the form tag in this HTML. Okay, so now just I'm writing there the HTML and then add the title and the form, and next I'm writing the form, then slash title and then head and then the body tag. After this, we are starting the form tag. Just we can write here the form tag. But the main two attributes are there in this form tag. The first one is there for method, and the second one is there the action attribute. The two main attribute of this form tag is for method attribute and the form action attribute. For method attribute, if we are talking about the form method attribute, then it tells how the form should transfer the data to the form processor. If the value is get, then the data in the form is in the form of a query string, which is the default value. And the next one, action method, it tells us what action the form should take when the submit button is pressed. So this is about the form two attribute, the method and the action attribute. How we can use these two attributes and then how we can create the different element of this form tag, this we can learn. The first one I am writing here, the starting the form. So here I am writing the form. First we are writing the form method equal. The two methods are there in this form, post and the get method is there. Form post and the form get method is there. Generally we are using the post method. If the value is the post, then the drag is given as a standard input. Okay, if the value is the post, then the data is given as a standard input. So here I am writing for method equal post, then the next new method or the next new attribute of this form is here action attribute. So here I am writing action for method equal post and then action equal. In this action attribute, you can write any email ID. Like here I am writing like this. You can give here the any email ID. Here I am writing just a simple for xyz@gmail.com. You can write here any your email ID also here. I am writing here. In inverted you can write this ID xyz@gmail.com. This is an email ID I am writing here and then close this angle. So after this body tag we are writing from method equal post, then action equal any email ID you can write here. So here I am writing xyz@gmail.com, then inverted close and then angle. After this what we have to do, we can start writing the tag. In this form you can see there that when we have to fill any type of form, then first they are asking about the name, your father name, your mother name, your class, like this they are asking the question in this form only. So here the next one element we learn about today, the text attribute, or we can say the text field, where we can input the tag when we have to run the form in Internet Explorer or any browser. So what we have to write now, if they are asking about the name, then we can write there the enter your name. So here I am writing that enter your name. So we can use here the P also. This P for paragraph, just we can give this, we are using this P for giving the space. Okay, after the first element and then writing the second one, we can give the space by here the P of the paragraph attribute. Now here I am writing input your name. Okay, this is only the tag, so we can say this is only the head. After this, we can give the text box where we can write the tag. So how we can put the text box, and after this, enter your name. Then we can start writing the text box tag. Here we can write input and then type equal text, because we want to write here the text. Okay, input type equal text and writing here. After this input type equal text, then we can start writing here the next one. If we want to write here the text only, then we are using input type equal text, then the size. Okay, so I am writing the size attribute. Size, which means how much you want to span the text box. So here I am writing the size. If I want to span this text box 40 pixels, then I am writing here the size equal 30. The next one, max length. Max length equal 40. It means maximum character you can write here, 40 characters you can write here in this input box. So here I am writing input type equal text because you want to write the text, so you are using the other one type of text box. So input type equal text, then size equal 30 means how much you want to span the text box, then you can use the size. If you want to increase the size, then you can write the size here, the 20, 10, 20, whatever you require, or how much you want to span the text box, you can give here the size. Maximum length, how much character you want to write here, so here we are writing the max length equal the 40. It means you should write here the 40 character only on that text box. Now you can save this form. So I am saving this form with the name of the form.html. Now what we have to do, we can save it, and when we refresh this text box, you can see the text box is there. Enter your name and then this text box. If you want to write the text here, then simply you can click on that area and write your name. Like if I am writing the name is here, Naman, okay, and then Jen. So this is their Naman and Jen. Okay. Now, if you want to write there continuously, then you should write there, but you can put there only the 40 character because we are giving the maximum length there the 40. So this is enter your name, or it is the simple text box only. If you want to give the space in between like enter your name and here, then what we have to do is generally you can give the space also. And refresh, you can see there the one single space is there after the name. Or if you want to insert any type of symbol, then what we have to do, we can put there the symbol also. Like this, if we want to use, then also you can use it here and then run. So this is your text box only. The next one, if you want to insert there the text box, but in this text box you want to insert there the password, or you want to give the password, then you know that password is showing maybe it is in a dot, or maybe it is as an abstract format. Abstract or dot we are using there. So if you want to insert a text box, then we have to use the input or the input type, then or the text we can write, then we can write there the text only. It means it is showing the text is there. But when you have to use the input type equal password, then you should use there only the password, or the text is showing just like a bullets, or we can see just like a abstract or dot format. How we can use this what you can see here. Now first I am writing here, again we can insert input. Now first we can give the header. Like this header we are giving input your name. The next header I want to give here, we can use here the P, and then I am writing here your ID. Okay, then I am writing this your ID, and then I am writing number. Okay, anything you can write here, whatever you want to write, you can write here. I am writing ID and then number, and then I want to use here this symbol only. Okay, then we can use that same method. So here I am writing input. Okay, and then we are writing type equal. In inverted you can write password because the first we are using the text. Now we want to add there the password. So in inverted we are writing the password and close this inverted comma. Then the name. So here I am writing the name equal ID because this one is their ID only. Here I am writing the ID. This is only the method which we are using to insert the password on that particular area or in this text box. If we are writing input type equal password, then you can add here the password only. If you are writing the input type equal text, then you should add here text only. Okay, now we are using the password method, so here we can use the. Now I have given here the name equal ID. This name which means that text box name only. The name which means we are putting the name of this particular text box. So here I am giving name equal ID, and then size I am writing. The size I am giving there. If you can give there the 13. Now I want to give there the size only 7. So I can give there the size 7 or maximum length. Max length, whatever you want to give, maximum length I want to give there only 10. Okay, so it means you should write there the password only 10 character or the 10 number only you can write here because we are giving the maximum length there the 10. Okay, then and we close. See this one, it means we can give there the Explorer and then refresh it. Now you can see here user ID, number, and then the one text box because we have given here the size and the maximum like this. So the size we have given 7 and the maximum length we have given 10. Now you can write the text. You can see if here we can, if I am writing here Aman and Jen and this ID number I am writing here 65536. 65536. So you can see it is there only the bullets, or we can say it is for headline asterisk only we can write because we have given the method equal only the password. So just you can create a text box. It is only the simple text box. If you write the text there, then we can write the input type equal text. But if you want to write there the text, but as a password you want to write, then we can write it here the input type equal password. Then you can give the name equal ID. Any name you can give there. If nothing, we can write here the ID only. Whatever you want to give there the name of this particular text box, this only you can write here. Then size 7 and maximum length. The size of maximum length is required. Whatever you require, you can give here according to your need. You can write here the size of maximum length. So this is all about the form. Today we learn about the input box, how we can insert the text box here, or how we can write the text on that text box, and how we can insert the password there in a particular text box. In the next section, we learn about the next element of this form tag, like we can create a checkbox, we can create a different text area, or we can use there the option value also, or how we can tick on that particular one. So option button, checkbox, this all we can learn in the next session. Thank you.